How's it going, guys? So my name's Lewis and this is Dad Makes Dough. So this channel's all about making money online and my journey to becoming financially free. So if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like on this video, it super helps. And I'm also running a little bit of a shout out. So the top comment in my comment section, I'm going to post it up in the next video and shouting you guys out and your channel out, help each other grow. I'll pick a comment at random, which is on this video, and then I'll put your channel in the next video. So don't forget to comment, leave a like and subscribe. So this video is 10 ways that I use to make money online. This is going to be part of a series, a video series where I put up different methods that I use to make money. So all these methods that I'm going to share with, I've either used myself and I know it worked. This isn't something where you're going to quit your job and work and do this and do that. These are ways that you can make a little bit of money on the side or make some cash. You can use this to build a sustainable business. So first is surveys. So I know what you're going to say. You're going to say, they're not worth it, it's not worth your time, it's not this, it's not that. Over the past month, what I've been doing online surveys, I've probably made £100, £150 over the past couple of months. A lot of the survey sites don't pay you well for your time, so you've got to figure out how much you're going to make to how much time spent and see if it's worth it. Me personally, I only do surveys when I've got time, got free time. So if I'm travelling, I also do it at work, so I've got some free time, I'll go and do a couple of surveys, getting that passive income. So yeah, these are the sites that I use personally. Prolific. So Prolific is a market research site. You fill in your demographic and your information and stuff like that, and then they send you surveys. Each survey can range anywhere from 30p to £10. A lot of them are pretty cool as well. You get some quite interesting ones. Healthcare research, smoking, literally everything you can think of. You've even played games on there and stuff like that. So I'll link everything below. So that's Prolific. One of my favourite ones that I've used quite a lot recently is called QMe or Kumi. I'm not sure how you pronounce it. I'll put the link below. So what this is you actually add it to your browser and you get money from browsing as well. And not only that, they're quite short surveys and quite simple surveys. These are a lot more sustainable. These range from anywhere between like 10p to like £3, £4, £5. I think £3 is the highest one I've ever seen, and they're quite short, anything under 10 minutes. Yeah, so QMe, I'll show you now. It's pretty simple and straightforward. It also has a referral program and stuff like that. So if you want to get started with QMe, down below, click my referral link and get signing up and see how much money you can make, and then invite your friends, make some money that way. You see, the good thing about QMe as well is there's no minimum cash out. If you make 30p from a survey, you can put that straight over to your PayPal. It's completely up to yourself. So when it comes to surveys, I don't want you to think about, oh, this is how I'm going to make money and this can be a sustainable income and scalable business, nothing like that. This is for you to create surplus funds that you can use to expand, to build your business on what you want to do, and it's essentially free money. How I work it and how I use these effectively is I open about 3 or 4 different survey sites all in my browser, and I get one survey from one from another one from another one from another, so I've got a constant stream of surveys to do. If you work it out, if you did £3, if you made £3 a day doing surveys for like 10-15 minutes, that's £100 a month extra in your pocket to build your business, you know, treat yourself, something like that. So don't forget to click those links below. Right, so following on from that, my second form of income is match betting. So this is my highest form of a side income. I've been match betting now for around 6 months to a year, and I've been using Profit Accumulator. So what match betting is, I've covered a little bit of video all about it, and I'll link that now. And all that is it's you're betting on a betting site against yourself on an exchange, usually for a free bet, and you're cancelling that out. If you want to check more about match betting, I don't want to make this video too long, check my video all about it. I'm able to pull in at least anywhere between, you know, £300 to £1,000 a month consecutively with that. It's not gambling, it does work. I signed up to Profit Accumulator, this was the best way to do it. If you want that free trial, you get a 2-week free trial and it'll show you how to make £45, and that's with no sign up costs, nothing like that. Click my link below. Alright, so number 3 is reselling. Reselling, as well as match betting, are some of my biggest earners. So first things first, what everyone knows, eBay. So eBay reselling, you can start with such low costs, so you could clear stuff out around your house and start selling on there, build up some income, build up some surplus funds that you can take out to the charity shops, to the boot sales, Facebook, anything like that. Buy things that you can flip on eBay and make profit from that. And then following on from that, you can move on to something that I've moved on to recently, and I've got videos about that as well, which is Amazon FBA. Me personally, I do a lot of used books, and I've made money from picking things up for free, what people just want rid, and I've been able to make hundreds of pounds and thousands of pounds. Check my video all about Amazon reselling, Amazon FBA, Facebook. You can literally go onto Facebook Marketplace, look in Facebook Marketplace, and someone could sell a games console bundle for 25. If you were to buy that, and you were to put that on eBay, and you were to split them, so say it come with 10 games, if you sold each one of them games for £2 a game, so that's £20, that's your investment back, plus the console. Say you sell the console on its own, just as the unit, for £20. Say the controller goes for £5. You know, you've over doubled your money now, just because someone didn't have the time or didn't want to actually part that out and wait for that sale. It's totally worth it, and it's such a lucrative business. There's so many videos all over YouTube all about reselling, Amazon, Facebook Marketplace, everywhere. Number 4, we've got paid to sites. So this was something that I've not really heard of previously to signing up. So the two that I actually use, you've probably heard of Swagbooks. You know, it's a legitimate company. I've made, you know, a good amount of money off there, a couple of £100, and that's paid to sites. One of my favourites I've been using recently is called Oh My Dosh, and what that is, say sign up to Amazon Prime and we'll give you £5. So you sign up through their link, sign up to Amazon Prime, you can cancel it before the actual $7.99 a month comes out and you get 4. All you've done is sign up. There's surveys on there, play games, watch videos, all for money, all to put into your pot and withdraw out, which I think is personally great. If you look at Oh My Dosh, there's so many offers on there, and I've made around £100 from that. Not only that, you can also get free stuff on there, entered into giveaways and stuff like that. And then on top of that, you can invite your friends, and for every friend that you invite, you get £5. So what I'm going to do, I'll put my referral link below to Oh My Dosh, and you get, I think, £2 into your Oh My Dosh account just for signing up through my referral link, and that gives you a little bit of a bump start. Right, so number 5 is Cashback. You're going to think this is stupid, and you're going to think I've heard it everywhere and stuff like that. So Cashback sites are such a great idea. If you're already going to purchase something, you might as well get some cashback for that. So the top 2 that I use, and I'll put my referral links below, so there's Quidco and Top Cashback. So if you're ever going to make a purchase online, whether it be Amazon, Argos, I don't know, anything like that, say that's £20 you're going to spend and you get 2% back on that. So essentially you got that product 2% cheaper. Sometimes they have offers on there where it's 10%, 15% back. You know, switch energy providers, stuff like that. Just go through that cashback site and you can get that money back. It's super easy, straight to PayPal. You can use it as surplus funds, you can save it, use it for Christmas presents, gifts, anything like that. Sign up to my referral link below for Quidco and you get £5 bonus, which is great. Right, so number 6, it's not passive. You require a lot of work up front, and that's blogging / affiliate marketing. So blogging, I started my blog roughly around 6 months ago, and it's called dadmakesdough.co.uk. Don't forget to check it out. And what I did with that is, once you are able to provide traffic and write about your niche and build a blog about your niche, you get paid ads. So Google AdSense, there's also some other companies out there as well. They'll run ads on your site and you get paid for it, for the traffic and the clicks and everything like that. So once you've put that original, work up front, the website is passively earning for itself. Not only that, you can do affiliate marketing. So if you're promoting a product or service and you get commission on that and you write about that, and you also get sponsored posts. So there's plenty of bloggers out there who are making 6 and 7 figures a year through a website that they created, say, 2 years ago, for a blog that they created 2 years ago, but they're still making money now, consistent income. So blogging is such a great way to make money online. Yeah, it doesn't come fast. You do have to put that original work up front. You have to wait it out. You have to get that traffic, and then after that happens, that's where the money starts coming in. So number 8, I'm going to class blogging as number 6 and affiliate marketing as number 7. Number 8 is passive, and it's using your computer. So me personally, I don't know if you do as well, but my computer runs constantly. So I never turn my computer off. It's running all day. Something I always do, it goes on sleep mode, but the site called Honeygain, and what Honeygain does, the program on the computer, and it runs in the background. And what it uses, you can use up to 6 devices, and all your unused data, uses it for cloud storage and stuff like that. All it does is run in the background, and it pays you for. So roughly, I've made around £30 so far, cashed out to PayPal in about a month, which, no, it's not big money, but for simply having something running on my computer that I never see, I think it's great. So if you want to sign up to Honeygain below, there's also another one, it's called FluidStack, and FluidStack is essentially the same thing. It uses your unused data, and if you're like me and you've got broadband, unlimited broadband in your house, I imagine most people do, there's so much internet that you're not actually using. You might as well use it. I know a lot of research and scientists and marketing and ads all use it. It's all legit, plenty of great reviews. Check online if you don't believe me. So if you want to sign up below, and I think you get some money if you sign up through my affiliate links, so check those below, and you can sign up to those and let me know how you get on. Let me know how much money you make. So it depends on your internet speed as well. Me personally, I've not got the best internet. I think I get about 78 to 100 download roughly. Right, so number 9 is Fiverr. I never used Fiverr before. I think I used Fiverr a couple of years ago doing some graphic design work, and I never made any money on it. And I saw a video on YouTube, and it just was like, alright, let's give this a try. So what I did, I went online and I saw my services as... So I made a video, a little bit like this, just saying, I'll be a British spokesperson, and I'll make a video for your company, for your service, or a review for your products via video. So I tried this out. For the first week, I got nothing, and it eventually started to get traffic. So now I've roughly earned around $60, and it's literally for a 30-second video reviewing someone's products or reviewing someone's service and stuff like that. Super recommend you to try out Fiverr. You've got nothing to lose. It's completely free, and you might have a better service than I can think of. You know, you could sell someone a service which is great. You might have a better service, something like that. So yeah, don't forget to check Fiverr out. Number 10 is dropshipping. So there's plenty of ways to dropship. Me personally, I haven't done the Shopify, AliExpress route of dropshipping, running Facebook ads and stuff like that. But I am looking into that. I'm going to give it a try, and I'll document it on this channel to see how it actually goes. I know there's plenty of gurus on there telling you that they make £1 million a month and stuff like this. I'm going to give it a try from a normal guy. Don't have a lot of startup funds or nothing like that. I'm just going to give it a try and see how it goes and document my... But the actual business model of dropshipping is a great idea. So essentially, you've got a product that you sell from one place to another, and you make the profit in between. You don't physically hold that product. So if you put an ad up and someone buys that for £10, you buy it from the supplier for £5, put the customer's address in, send that to the customer directly from the supplier to the customer, and you keep that £5 or whichever it is, depending on your markup. So I tried this out with Facebook, of all things. So I went on Etsy, saw some personalised gifts and stuff like that. And what I did was, I put an open ad on Facebook Marketplace, and I give that a try. So it was, you know, custom mugs, custom t-shirts. I know Halloween's coming around at the minute, so I did some Halloween stuff, some wax melts, stuff like that, and they paid me via PayPal. So I just kept the residual, I just kept the income in between. It's a pretty good idea. I give it a try. You guys give it a try as well if you want. So then guys, if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to leave a like. Don't forget to comment if you're still watching, and I will feature your comment, or I'll feature a random comment in the next video and get my viewers to check out your channel, and we can all grow together. Don't forget to smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. We've hit over 200 subscribers now, which is crazy. I still cannot believe it that my channel's grown so fast. So another video a bit like this, maybe a little bit shorter, with 10 more ways to make money online. Thank you guys for watching.